We, the four founding partners, decided to practice together and we established RSMS Architects. Our firm has grown from 6 employees to a 100% firm, and we have both an Indian and an international architectural practice.
I advise the developers for the building codes, building bylaws, and I am among the first one to be appointed by the client even before they finalize on the architects.
Within the firm, healthcare is a separate vertical and we have a separate studio dedicated for healthcare.
My responsibility at RSMS is to look after the design aspects of various projects we do, and I do share the responsibility of managing the firm with my partners.
Like I was standing in one of the hospital's lobby and I saw that there are 3 patients standing in the pharmacy queue, and every 4th patient who comes there actually was walking out thinking that I'll buy the medicine from the neighborhood pharmacy. And all we did was that we opened another window on the opposite side of the pharmacy, and the revenues of the pharmacy went up by 30 lakhs per month. We have been very fortunate that we were involved in the first project of Paras Hospitals Gurgaon, and their managing director is very particular about the workflow. And over a period of time, we have developed a sort of a relationship wherein we are involved in their operational meetings and so on and so forth, so we understand what are the challenges they are facing in each of their facilities. Today we have designed 4 facilities for them, so we as a firm kind of fit in at that location where we understand both architecture as well as operations, and hence we are able to give value design to our clients.
Very unique project that I've ever dealt in my life is a 60 lakh square feet project that we are doing currently in Saudi. It's one of the medical cities, and the uniqueness of this project is that it's almost about 6.5 acres on a single floor. You have 4 floors of that magnitude and 4 towers sit on top of it. And there is just a single data set that we are working with. You had to have a set of data on which multiple people could simultaneously work. 24 to 25 people work on the projects at any given point of time, all accessing the same database. Here's a project that is almost a kilometer long. How do you actually document a project? How do you control the changes that are happening? We couldn't have done it without the technology we've got. Without the use of good hardware, I don't think we would have handled this bigger project. One of the most important things we realized is to choose a vendor who could supply us the hardware. We chose Dell because Dell was willing to customize the machines to our needs.
RSMS Architects used Dell Precision workstations powered by Intel Core i5 processor.